Halal Hangouts. I'm in Tangier. Now, yeah, it's a funny story. I fell asleep on the plane. I was supposed to be meeting Abu and Shaz. I missed my stop, Marrakesh, ended up in Tangier. But hey, let's make the most of it. In order not to waste my time here, I've decided to stay, and I'm gonna be taking you through some breakfast, lunch and dinner options, and just generally talking about the place. It's a great place, visited many times. So let's get to it. Hello Hangouts, it's breakfast time in Tangier. And when we say breakfast time, we mean like 12, 1 o'clock, because everything starts late here. But it's a beautiful day, and we're gonna go to RR Ice, which is just behind me, a seafront eatery that serves great Moroccan breakfast, Spanish breakfast, English breakfast, and a whole host of other stuff. So let's go check it out. These are called harsha, made of semolina. This is raghaif. So if you like paratha, you'd love raghaif. It's very similar. So these are baghrir, crumpets. We have honey, and we have like a nutty butter topped off with a white feta cheese. Honey on the baghrir. Delicious. Really light and fluffy taste. Raghaif has got a great texture as well. Just breaks up. So this is the amlu. Really nice, delicious taste. The texture is a little thinner than peanut butter, but it's great with the breads, this bread selection. This is just flatbread, perfect for eggs. So we just finished up, it was breakfast time, great view, lovely sounds, wonderful breeze, but the food was a bit average. Today, I've been told that it's generally good, but today is a 3-star. Comment below, tell us about your experiences in Tangier, and look at that sea. So today we're gonna go get some fresh Friday couscous. In Morocco, it's all about couscous on Friday. It's a tradition. So who are we to break tradition? So let's go get some couscous.
فتاني مطعم طنجة شارع مولاي يوسف، مختص في الأكل المغربي. كل نهار عنده أكلة خاصة سبيشال داي. اثنين كيكون عندنا الفرشة والكبدة، ثلاث كتكون عندنا الهركمة، الأربعة كيكون عندنا الرخيصة، الخميس اللحم مرقوق، الجمعة الكسكسو، السبت أوسي الهركمة، الاثنين.
Light fluffy couscous, beautifully cooked veg, and that great meat that it's just been slow cooked for hours. Magnifique. There you have it guys, Keitani. A tiny little place but big on flavour. If you want to try some traditional couscous food and you're in Tangier, this is a great place to come to. Check it out. So we've got sea bass, we've got prawns, we've got langoustine, we've got calamari, we've got oysters, we've got basically everything you can get from the sea. So we're gonna go ahead and tuna steak. So this is a curly fish. He's eating his tail. Poor guy. So this is a Spanish fish called pijota. It's delicious. It's really, if you like just regular fish fingers, this is perfect. These things are called chicos. Little tiny squid. And they're deep fried. So just eat the head bit. Generally, all the seafood was cooked really well and tasted great. So we're gonna give this place a 4-star, 4 out of 5 for seafood. Avoid the salads, not really that good. Don't get it. Just go straight in for the fish platter and say hello to my little friend. Bye-bye. So there you go, guys. That was my take on Tanger and the north of Morocco. Loved every minute of it. I love the north of Morocco, especially Tangier, Sherwan. Those are my 2 favourite cities. Hit us up in the comments below. Tell us about your experiences in Morocco and in the north of Morocco specifically. We need you to subscribe to keep this content going. Hit the like button, share it with your friends. Peace.